Comrades, aye boy. Every day the labor right ship keeps sinking deeper and deeper. Them find themselves in a place where there is no return. Comrades, labor right them rob up Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right them take away all the money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right to no bring back Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right wanna do with the charity money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Hear me, the man? Why? You don't care about the poor now. Look how much homeless out the door. And you not look out for them. Aye boy. Andrew, you is a wicked big nose man. You have the money and spend it amongst your friends. Tough time, you don't care about the children. No AC, no ventilator for them. But tough time, I want you to get this right. Don't feel like Jamaica, we afraid to fight. You want win? No, not at all. This election, you're going to fall. No, not at all. Baby mothers, they're tired to ball. Jamaica want?
Mark Wally.
Jamaica want?
Mark Wally.
Where you want?
Mark Wally.
Oh, you mean Marky G?
That's right.
Labor right them rob up all the money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right them rob up Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right them take away all the money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right to no give back you see any money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Marky G, I go treat you right.
Marky G.
The MNC dance we pick me bride.
Damien.
Labor right full of puss and rat. And the next election we no want them back. Labor right them rob up Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right to no bring back Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right them take the charity money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right we want back Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
I tell you. Make them know the time come man. Aye boy. Yes. Labor right time done.
Yes.
Labor right time done.
Yes.
Labor right time done.
Yes.
People time come.
Yes.
No.
Take the money. Take the money. Take the money.
Hear me now. Everywhere you turn, lots of businessmen and women who has money ready to invest some on this land. Jamaica, we can't wait till they call the election. Hey, we ready for step out and vote out this man. He take we money? No, that no right. Every minute him gone for the next plane flight. No, him can't win back. You know, sister bro, God is a damn idiot. No, him getting ridiculous. We want a government that we can trust. So what you want?
Mark Wally.
Where you want?
Mark Wally.
So what you want?
Mark Wally.
Oh, you mean Marky G?
That's right.
Well, I couldn't agree with you more. Labor right them rob up Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right to no bring back Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right them gone with the whole of the money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right to no bring back Jamaica money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Marky G is a man we true. Him a go show you what he can do. Build back Jamaica for me and you. Jamaica, I go nice with you. Labor right them gone with the whole of the money.
That's right. Bring it back.
Labor right